Unity codes for self-worth. Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm happy to welcome you to Unity Codes for Self-Worth. Today, we will explore the energy of self-worth and open ourselves to greater self-acceptance, confidence, inner strength, and the recognition of our true value. During this session, we will work with Unity Codes, an energetic process that supports the release of limitation and helps restore greater harmony and alignment within ourselves. As all beliefs, emotions, wounds, fears, and energetic blocks begin to dissolve, we create space for a deeper connection with our authentic self and a greater awareness of our own worth. There is nothing you need to do. Simply relax, remain present, and allow yourself to receive whatever is for your highest good. As we move through the session, pay attention to any sensations, emotions, thoughts, insights, or shifts that may arise. Every person's experience is unique, and there is no right or wrong way to experience this work. I invite you to keep your eyes closed and bring your awareness inward. During the session, I will remain in silence, allowing the energy to unfold naturally and giving you the space to simply receive and experience the process. Take a deep breath, become aware of your body, and allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Let us begin. Now, take a deep breath and gently bring your awareness back to your body and the space around you. Notice how you feel. There is no need to analyze or understand anything right now. Simply allow the energies to continue integrating in whatever way is most beneficial for you. When you're ready, begin to gently move your fingers and toes. And now you can slowly open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this time and energy with me today. If you enjoyed this Unity Codes session, I warmly invite you to continue your spiritual journey with me. You will find more guided meditations, activations, and content at DivineLDR.com/en. May your confidence continue to grow, may you recognize your true worth, and may you embrace yourself with love, compassion, and acceptance. That will be all for today. Take care. Goodbye.